It's unlimited. There is no restriction. Unlimited. You can clone your voice up to 50,000 character. This is very easy. So first of all, you have to open your browser and search for any voicelab.com. ठीक है. After that you have to uh, after that you have to create with account with your Google. After that you have to tap on these three dots, and here you can see called free unlimited voices. Tap on this. After that you have to tap on this upload a sample or clone your voice. Tap on this, and here you have to upload a voice from your gallery. For example, I'm selecting this voice. For example, I'm uploading like my own voice. For example, I'm uploading I am uploading this voice. For example, after that you have to tap on select. Now you have to add some text here. For example, I'm adding this text. After that you have to tap on this convert to speech. Now here you have to wait for few seconds. This voice will be done within few seconds. Now here you have to wait for few seconds. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it quickly. Now here you can see our voice is cloned. 2026 guide script. Want to remove unwanted website access? In this way you can clone your voice unlimited. You can also get premium of this website. So this is very easy, and this is absolutely free for everyone. You can make up to 50,000 plus character. Here you can see tap on this ultra long form DTS. You can use up to 50,000 plus character for free of cost. So this is very powerful. You can clone 50,000 character. This is free of cost. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, do it quickly. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel. See you in the next video.